I'm motivated as I journey through life because I've seen the reward when we live our lives, right? Which one flows more? There's some moments that have little extra syllables, which are kind of throwing things off. Let me try to give an example. I'm motivated as I
So is that a I'm or I'm motivated? Is that a I'm or
life?
Trochees.
It's like I'm mo. It starts with an I am.
So there's an I'm.
But then the issue is this: you have so many unstressed syllables. Motivated as I motivated as I journey through life. Okay, so we have a lot of extra syllables. Like this would be an I am. I'm mo. I would be an I am. And then knee through life. This would be what we call an anapest. Knee through life, weak, stress, anapest. And let's see what you got here. Because I've seen the reward when we live our lives. Oh, interesting, right? So basically you just wrote a bunch of anapests. Because I've seen the reward when we live our lives, right? Because I've seen the reward when we live our lives, right? You hear it?
Yeah.
Which is a different rhythm than this. I'm motivated as I journey through life. Because I've seen the reward when we live our lives, right? Which one flows more? First line or second line?
They're flowing together.
Treat them separately for a moment. Say the first line.
Second one flows more.
Read the first line.
I'm motivated as I journey through life.
Read this one.
Because I've seen the reward when we live our lives. The
second one flows. It's not even close. This flows so much more. It's so much smoother. And one of the reasons it's a lot smoother is because it's using the same pattern over and over again. Anapest, 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 anapest. Okay. The problem with the first one is it's bouncing between iambs and then anapest, and then you have this sequence in here where nothing's getting stressed. So like the rhythm's different, you know? So what would happen if we changed this first line to also be an anapest? What if we did like, I am motivated. It's like I am motivated. It's a little bit tricky with this extra. So motivated. I am motivated. But we can let's imagine we have an extra syllable. Going through. I am motivated. Going through life. I'm just going to add some words just to show you rhythm. Okay. Like. And trying to keep the rhyme. This is a horrible, don't do this in your poem. I am motivated going through life like a knight because I've seen the reward when we live our lives right. Do you see that now we're starting to smooth things out a little bit? I am motivated going through life like a knight because I've seen the reward when we live our lives right. Yeah. Do you see that now we're closer to what the same structure is?
Yeah. That's the beauty about poetry. You won't have to have
it doesn't have to do that, no.
It doesn't have to have a certain structure.
It doesn't have to do it, no. But I think something that we see, especially with rhyming, is a lot of times rhyming is going to follow some sort of a meter. It doesn't have to. But one of the things that also happens too, notice what happened when I tried to write this line here. It's way longer than the first one. What's going to happen in general, it's not always going to work out this perfectly, but in general, if you use the same meter for your lines, you're in general not going to get this happening where you have this one line that's really short compared to the others, or like this right here, because all the lines in general are going to be about the same length. In general, it's not going to be perfect, but it's not going to have these sort of situations happening as often.